Hey, this is Mark Rollins here from TheGeekChurch, and today we're going to be talking about this projector right here from Viewsonic. We're going to go into more detail on it, but I want to give you a good sample of what it can do. This is Jaden. You've seen him in my other videos, maybe. Go ahead and turn off the lights there, Jaden. Hey, that's a pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's try playing some sound here. Okay, now that sound is coming right from there, which you can't really see that now, but there is a stereo on there, and that's the image we're seeing. I don't really know the exact size of it. Last time I did a projector video, people wanted to see what it actually looked like in action. So now you got a good chance of it, and we'll talk more about it coming right up. Hello, this is Mark Rollins here from TheGeekChurch, and today I have another product here from Viewsonic, our friends. We reviewed the M1 Mini a while ago, and today they sent us the M1 Plus. This is a nice projector that I would recommend. We reviewed a lot of Viewsonic products, like 3 of their displays, which we have separate reviews for. Go ahead and do a search on my website if you want to see those, and we've got video reviews of those too. Now this guy, we're going to do an unboxing of this. Last time I did a review of a projector, I just did the unboxing and we did some B-roll footage showing it. This time, later on in the video, I actually show footage of what it looks like to use the projector, and it's pretty somewhat decent because honestly, unless I get a really better camera than say my cell phone camera, which is what I use to do these type of videos, we can't really get it in there, but it's enough to show you that it is a decent product and will give you a nice big projection of anything you want on your screen. This is what I like, how it comes in here. It has this little pouch that you can use for carrying. I kind of wish it had little straps so you can use it as a purse, but hey, we can't get everything we want. This is the product right here. Some of you might remember from my last review that I really enjoyed this sort of thing, how it has here. It has this little thing that's kind of doubles as a handle, as well as oh shoot, I'm actually getting a projection from it right now. You're probably seeing a light or something like that from the lens. I can't really show it to you. I'll show it to you on me, but chances are you're probably not even really seeing that because I just got a glass screen behind me. But it's already given that. So the battery life on this must be pretty decent. I'll have to do something on that in my article. So, as you can see, we've got sets up very simply like this. Got some buttons on the back, and oh, hello, can we actually see that? Can you guys see this? Maybe you guys can, I know, oh yeah, there's the main menu right there. And I'll just read it right there. Okay, so source, app center, Bluetooth speaker, screen mirroring, wallpaper settings, and information. And now I tried this out. I connected this to my computer, which you'll see in the later vid coming up. And I was able to connect it just to the internet. So it's just like I wanted to watch like the SpongeBob movie, the newest one. So I just put it in there, and then I just projected on my wall. Very decent. So now that we've got the basic setup I'm talking about, I want to talk about the stuff that comes in the box. Now this thing is okay, so I got the set of instructions here as a quick start guide. Most things gadgets seem to have the quick start guide because it knows like, hey, you just want to get to what's what here. Does this come up? Oh, here we go. Okay, alright, okay, we got this. Oh, of course it comes with a remote because what was anything, a display or anything like that, that's your good remote here. So we got that. Also have some other things in the box. First of all, we have some batteries for the remote, and of course we have the cord that we're going to need to use it. And we also have, oh, it looks like it's a 2-part cord. Plug this in there, and then plug it to this. We always have the big brick formation, which I've talked about before on a few reviews. Anyway, and then we have this, which is a USB to USB-C type formation, I believe. And I'm going to go into detail on this now. This took me a while to figure out, but I was trying to figure out how to connect this thing together, but there's actually this little thing right here. So, yeah, you can put in a micro SD, You can also, oh, there's the USB-C thing. And just put this down. Cords get tangled, don't they? Okay. Yep, this is USB-C to USB-C in case you need a little bit of power there or can connect. Got the HDMI here as well as a USB-A port and a place for headphones as well. So this thing is set up for pretty much everything. And that's pretty much what it comes with. And it is a very decent projector that I will recommend. You can get it right now on the Viewsonic site for about $315, and I'd say it's a pretty good deal for your money. And yeah, this would make a great present for somebody who's really into projecting, or just wants a bigger screen on your wall. If you got a big blank wall, you might as well put a projector screen there and watch whatever you want to watch there. Anyway, this has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.